Hello, today we'll talk about binary search. This type of sorting technique works in case of sorted arrays only. Given an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, we have to search for an element 2. Okay, we can search it like this also. We'll run a for loop from 0 to n minus 1. We'll check the given element is equal to the element of the loop a of I. If it is this, we'll return the index. But this is linear search. It will work. It will take longer time to find the value of it. But in case of binary search, the time taken to search an element reduces by half. Let's check it out how. Given an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we will give the indexes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll initialize the start with 0 index and end with n minus 1 index. We'll calculate the mid for it. Start plus end by 2. 0 plus end by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. But the integer value of 4.5 is 4. If the array of mid, that is if array of 4 double equal to element, that is key, that is equal to 2. If array of 4, that is array of 4 is 5, 5 double equal to 2, return mid. This is false. It won't return any value. Now it checks if the given element is greater than mid, array of mid, or less than array of mid. If it is greater than array of mid, it will check in this rightmost part of the array. And if it is less than array of mid, it will check in the leftmost part of the array. Since 2 is less than 5, it will check in the leftmost part of the array, and the end will and the value of end will be mid minus 1. Now the end is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now we'll calculate mid for it. Mid is 0. Mid is start plus end by 2, that is 0 plus 3 by 2. It is 1.5. But according to integer, we'll take 1. A of now again we'll check if a of I, a of 1 double equal to 2. Yes, a of 1, that is 2, double equal to 2. It's true. It will return the mid value. The time taken to find search an element in case of binary search reduces by half. It becomes n by 2, n by 4, n by 8, n by 16. It works like this. So the time complexity is log at base to n. Now we'll look into the algorithm of this. Till when we'll check the that key double equal to a of mid. Int start is equal to 0, mid minus 1, while start less than equal to end. We'll check when start is less than equal to end. During binary search, the we check, we check for starting, start is 0, end is mid minus 1. We'll count the mid. If it is on this side, we check this side, otherwise this side. If the if when the during the searching start and end move close towards each other, and if start is becomes greater than end, element is not found in the array. We'll check in this algorithm. We start the loop with 0 less than 9 for the previous array. It start plus end by 2, 0 plus 9 by 2, that is 4.5, which is equal to 4 for the previous explanation which was done. Since the key is not done with this, since the key ARR of mid, that is ARR of 4, 4, that is 5, double equal to 2, it's not, it won't return. Key is less, end will be mid minus 1. It will come to this part of the array, that is this side. Mid will be, now mid shows this one. Sorry, end shows this one. This one. This corresponds to end. Else start is equal to mid plus 1. If not so, if it is greater, start comes to this side of the array. Okay, if anything, if the element is not found, it will return minus 1. Now we'll look into the code of this. I've written the code from the beginning itself. Now hash include stdout int main, int n, size of the array, int key, the element to be searched, Printf, enter the element size of the array. Scanf, percentage d ampersand n. Int a of n, that is into the size of array. Enter the elements of the array. Will run a loop from a to n, I less than n, I plus plus. Scanf, it will take elements one by one. The element to be searched. While will search for the will type the element to which is to be searched. While low is less than high, int mid is equal to low plus high by 2. Instead, we'll try for mid is equal to low plus high minus low by 2, since to avoid overflow of it. That is why we use this. If a of mid is equal to key, we found at index this, we return the mid index and we come out of the loop. Else if key is less, then we move to the left side of the array and the high will become mid minus 1. Else it moves to the rightmost part of the array and will come to a mid plus 1. If low becomes greater than high, element not found. Let's check for an output. Okay, enter the size of the array. I give 5. Enter the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Enter the key to be searched. It is, I think, 4. I check. C. Element is not found. The, now, this is done. Complete explanation of binary search. Thank you.